Yo, yo, yo. What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to another trading video, another trading stream, however you want to look at it. Feel me? Y'all already know what time it is. It's money times. If you're here with me this morning, you're here with me to get some monies, right? All right. So y'all know what day it is, right? NFP day. Y'all know. So you do know that with it being an NFP day, that hold on, let me X this real quick. I can't see some stuff on my screen. All right. That we're gonna have high news coming up. So the high news will be coming up in like 27 minutes. Okay. So we have 27 minutes. No, we're not in any trades. Not no trades like that. Not yet. I haven't found a position. I haven't been to the group and gave them a trade just yet. I think I wanted to just come on here today and just analyze what we got going on. And if we see opportunity, then we'll take it. Okay. There's no rush in here. All right. We don't want to get hit big on the last day of the week, you know. So we're gonna take it easy. But in the meantime, this is what we're going to do. Okay. So let me just trying to get everything fixed up on here. It looks a little crazy on my screen. All right. Okay, and let's start with DXY first. Let's look and see what DXY is doing. As you can see, look what DXY is doing. DXY is moving to the downside when it comes to this 1 hour candle. If we was to go to the higher time frame, let's see what we got going on. All right. We know what we got going on. We got these wicks sitting right here. Wicks means there's money in the wicks, right? We see that. We know that. So there's a chance of us coming down here to this money in the wicks. And then we have below insufficiency in price, so which is also known as a gap right here. When the market look like that, that's a gap. All right. So you can mark that, bring that over, and just know that you got your eyes on that gap, right? But we know that right here, this is money. That wick is money. We do see the fact that they have been slipping down from, let's do top bottom, from here to here. This market has been bearish. All right. Sellers have been in this market, and we still have sellers in this market right now. All right. So this could be, right, if we analyze DXY first, right, I'm going to clean this up some more too, because all of this right here is now out and voided because we've already taken care of what we need to take care of when it comes to this area. And I don't like to keep too much on the screen because, you know, you don't want to confuse yourself. All right. I only want my eyes to see certain things. So I take stuff off, okay, that I don't need. All right, so that's it right there. And we kind of completed this wave, so we can go ahead and say that's done, right? And we're moving down. So I'm thinking, since we are moving down, we have targets below, we have here, right? All of this money sitting here too, here and here, and then these guys here. Strong chance, very, very strong chance of us wanting to come down there. But right now we're sitting in a gap and we're pushing through it, looks like. This is the second time we've tapped down into this area. Boom, pull, and they jumped off. So it looks like they're going to push. All right, cool. So I would say we could buy gold up then, you know? I don't see no reason why we can't just buy gold up right now. Only because we got this, like, we got some lows, we got some gaps right here in this low area, and I see it right there. I see that when it comes to 5 minute gap. There's a 5 minute gap. Let's see, there's something else here. We're just gonna analyze this baby and up until this time, because we see what they did here. All right, this is done. All right, get some stuff off of here. Okay, what else we got? We got a little gap down here too. Right here. All right, these just 5-minute gaps. Okay, but I want to see what we did. What did we do here? Oh, there was something over here that made them want to go up. Yep. You see these gaps? They come down and they get into these gaps. That's what market does. They like to come and reach for these gaps. So price will fall to get to those areas, right? Just reading the picture. This is what we're doing. Reading the picture. Price will fall. Come down to these areas like it did here. Feeling it. Okay. Creating wicks, right? Giving us that idea of, but look at these double tops, triple tops, you know, money, 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 money. And then, well, we got these tops here. So liquidity sitting there. We see liquidity. We see it. Okay. Liquidity sitting there. Let's see what we got here. Small little gaps here and there. We got a gap here, they're here right now. Like I said, what market does is they like to create insufficiency in price or gaps, and then they'll come back for them. But when they come back for them, like such as what they're doing right now, see how they're slipping down? They're actually creating slippage, which means that they have to come back and get this eventually, right? So I need to see footsteps like that. But this is them covering their ass. They just covered it. You see how they wicked? Look at this. I'm going to show you. This is what they like to do. This is how you can know it's covered. That area is covered. From push down here, and then this candle came up. This is up in this area is space gap. But look what this one did. Came down, pushed down, wicked up. Then came another candle, wicked down. Pulling down. See, this side is covered. So now the only insufficiency in the price is right here now, underneath this wick, because this wick is covered. This side. That's what I mean, guys. You got to pay attention to that. And then here is another little gap down here that they look like they was reaching for. See that? Look at that. What is this, 24.58? Man, well, we got news in 20 minutes. So we're going to have a whole lot of stuff going on right now. They built a lot of liquidity here. I wouldn't be surprised if they did come up here to these highs. I would love to take these highs. They just took the lows, right? All these guys that's sitting right here that have stop losses, they're gone, right? This even came down this low, right? Grabbing the liquidity that was sitting here. These guys, they're gone. So X them out, right? What do we have? Just because they're taking liquidity don't necessarily mean that they're done taking liquidity, right? This market could still continue to the downside. There is things that's below that I do see, such as this gap, right? They didn't get down there. Okay. All right. So let's look at it that way. All right. Let's see what we got going on here on the lower time frame. I'm looking at maybe, this little area here, man. It's starting to look real good up in this area right here. And then they got all this liquidity sitting here. I mean, they're building liquidity, guys. That's money, money, money. Look at what they took below. They took these. Oops, I'm sorry, guys. They took these guys here. Boom, 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 boom. See that? Listen, don't let this scrambly stuff. You gotta look at it from afar, like you're looking at a mountain, right? Like you're standing back looking at a mountain. You want to look for these top areas, these peak areas, and then you want to look for these bottom areas here, right? And then you want to find like little spaces in the market where there's like only one candle play, right? And then you want to watch market take a side. They took this side, so I'm Xing these guys out. There's still liquidity here above. Then they took these guys out because they reached low and they got there. Because people, I understand that there's stop losses. People got orders. These are orders, guys, and there's stop losses sitting there. So what do? They come down, look left, snap. They got them, right? They're out. Then you got more of these guys here that got stop losses all up in here too. So there's money everywhere on this wave, right? On this 1 minute wave. But that's just from the 1 minute perspective. This is a way you can look at this also, this from a higher perspective. So what I want to do is just go to a higher perspective. Because when it's waving down like it's doing now on the 1 minute and lower time frame, guess what? It's not doing the same thing up here. This black candle is the only reason why it's 1 minute trending down, doing all this crazy shit, right? That we just marked up and saw. Yeah, and this candle. So if you look here, we have insufficiency in price. Here is insufficiency in price. One reason why they could turn around, right? They could come and dip in here and then fly up, right? Why? This is like double top area here. Remember, I've kept this here, this 2500 alert right here, guys, because I have a feeling like we're going to get up there, and I want to be alerted when we do reach 2500, right? Now, let's see, this one, all sufficient over here, right? So the only thing is, with this being all-time high, this is the only place where the liquidity stands. So I'm thinking, why don't we grab this liquidity, right? And continue maybe grab it and sell, do a quick buy to sell real quick. I'm looking for that. All right, we're gonna get rid of this stuff. There's a lot going on right now, and I want to be able to see, because this is all like lower time frame shit. You see this? This happened on the 1 minute lower time frame. So they're leaving all this liquidity and going to grab lower liquidity. All these pink boxes is gaps in the market on the lower time frame. So that's what I'm looking for market to come back down into these areas. These are targets. I'm just doing an investigation to see if I'm seeing anything. I don't see the pop-up here. I don't see any pop-up here. So I'm not getting that real clear sign. I'm probably going to get a buy. I'm looking at this market. I might get a buy based off of how they just printed here, but I still have to wait and see. I don't want to really even jump in before news, to be honest, because we've been doing very good all week, guys. I mean, all week. No need to rush the market. I'm not in a rush. I'm not trying to force any trades. I really just want, I'm gonna be honest, I really want to because I've had such a really, really good week, I want to just stand by and just watch everybody see what happens, on our first Friday of August. This NFP, there's a lot of things that could happen. Like we could sell to the downside and we could sell deep. We got what, 12 minutes till news, right? So these targets here could get smashed. Those could get hit. They're still getting hit. Yeah. So I wanted to see some higher. Let's see, up in this area. There was a little gap here, but it looked like they took, let's see, they didn't get up too high when it came to looking left. They only got to 2468, but this one had a high. So this market could just, it could just run away now. Let me see if there was an area up in here that this was okay. I would like to see, let me check a 30-minute, see how it look. No, didn't get it on the 30-minute, 5-minute. Maybe 15-minute, let me see 5-minute. I mean, yeah, we kind of got it on the 5-minute. We got it a few times. What I'm looking for now is like that engulfing situation. We got it a couple times on the 5-minute, right? We got it here, 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 and we got it over here. We got it here too. We was getting it a couple times. They were trying to get it a couple times, guys, letting us know like, hey, we getting ready to push this market down. In the same sense, they make it insufficiency in price right here. So let's see the gameplay. Now that we got the game going, let's see what's good. 10 minutes before news, guys. 10 minutes before news. So let's go ahead and let's do this real quick. Let's go look at DXY. All right, so DXY got to give us that idea that we're going to move up if we're going to continue to move down on gold, correct? Right? Because that's the correlation. Well, we would have to let's go ahead and analyze it while we got 10 minutes. Let's do this. Because remember, if DXY is moving down, then gold will move up, okay? And vice versa. Looking at DXY on the 4-hour, let me just go to the one. I want to see more. All right, there we go. It wasn't giving me enough. All right, so yeah, like this market could come down here, get below this low here, and then look, you see this candle here? Look how this candle is looking right here. That white candle. It from the bottom of the black candle to the bottom of the white candle, there's space. That's a one-sided play, guys. They left this here purposely. You gotta understand they're doing things purposely in the market. There's no coincidences. There's no accidents or, they doing this for real. Okay? They really are. they're leaving their footprints so that they can come back and get them later. So I'm looking at that. I am keeping that in mind. So I'm looking at that. I'm also looking at how this market was pushing down. See how this market was pushing down, and then the market started to come back up, but it was so weak it didn't continue to come up to even get up here into this insufficiency. I noticed that it didn't even get up here to cover this gap. It got like maybe 50% of it. I noticed that. So now I'm thinking like, okay, if that's the case, this market could continue to come down and get below this low and get into this area over here, this little sticking out little candle, and then get below that and get into this candle insufficiency too, that gap, right? But it's just taking like a little top down analysis to find out. All right, what we got going on here? I'm trying to see what we got going on. Nice, lots of nice little slippage right here. See, one-sided play. That's called insufficiency or a gap. You might hear me call it insufficiency, or you might hear me call it a gap, or you might hear me call it slippage. It's all the same. All the same guys. Okay. All right. Looking at this market. This area here is very interesting right here, which I already got it marked. They tapped into it. This is what made me want to put that buy P&L there, right? I got that. I did get that. I knew exactly where to take it, but now they're back down here, so we could get another buy up, but I don't think that. I think it's very short. Let's say there was a buy up off of this area. We're not really getting that much, right? I want more like candles of 1 hour or 4 hour. Let's just see. Nah. We do have some slippage. We could bring this market back up, but look how they snatched here. They broke it. They did break it, and they're showing like they want to move lower. So they put a lower wick. So this market could still move to the downside. We got this here, this wick, obvious wick here. We're still looking and keeping our eyes on this area. What else? We do have shit going on over here too. All right. We could sell gold. Let me see. She's moving. This market might pop up off of here. Might get that buy. We don't know. We have to wait. Like, don't jump into the markets, guys. Definitely wait. Because I'm looking for DXY to make a move. It look like it's moving up, so gold can move down. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah. All right. And we're getting a nice little push off of here, off of this area here. I'm liking that, like how they got above these highs and then they're pushing down. I'm actually liking the way this is starting to look. It's looking pretty good. If I was to like get into this trade, my aim would be this insufficiency here, and that's probably 60 pips down. Feel me? And then we got these wicks. You feel me? So listen, market's already been moving crazy this week on the little high news we've been getting. Imagine what this market is getting ready to do in like 4 minutes. But I don't want to be in the trade. I want to look, because like I said, you got to be able to be a smart trader sometimes and know when to stay out. You know, it's not being scared or NFP. No, I trade NFP. I know how to trade NFP. But not everybody can trade NFP like I trade NFP. right? So it's just when you've been doing so good all week, you kind of want to keep that perfect record, right? This is something that I am looking at as a short. If this market, let's see, let's do that 50 pip. NFP, I would like to have more of a flux, but it's like, why when the week has been amazing? You've had an amazing week. Don't blow it, right? That's all I like to tell myself. You've had an amazing week. Don't blow it. But this would be something that I'll be looking for right here. I'm seeing this obvious wick, big manipulation area right here. A lot of what I like to call trap money. So yeah, we could sell off of this right before. This would be an idea. I would like to see how this idea will go, right? But this is not something that I would want to put in the group just yet as far as a trade. Market is going to go crazy. I want to trade when the market is done doing its craziness. You know, I don't want to trade in the sideways market. I want to trade when the market is like high above highs or below lows. You know what I'm saying? And then NFP is in like two minutes, so it's this market can do whatever the heck it want to do. Let me try to see something, because we have been moving strongly up this whole time. So, oops, not 15 seconds, 15 minutes. Okay. Yeah, we have been moving up a lot. I wanted to see us break more to the downside, but I mean, it got below the lows. I don't know how low this can go. It could grab as much liquidity as it wants, guys. So selling in this area, use proper risk. But this would be the idea that I would think of. Let's see. This is what, 68 clicks down with the news. I don't know. I would want to wait. I'm gonna stay out. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tell y'all that right now. I'm gonna stay out. But I want to see if maybe this area, they did take these liquidity here. By them taking liquidity there, it's kind of like, all right, will this market shoot down? DXY got stuff above, and I know it. This market could just shoot down. We will wait. We got a few, seconds, minutes, 24 seconds. It'd be nice to see, but it could fly up, y'all. It could. So just be careful. And they're getting into my insufficiencies on the lower time frame. And that's what I like to see. I want to see them get more into it. There it is. There's the fly up. Boom. Yeah. See, yeah. It was too much up there. Too much up there. That's why I say, yeah, let's stay out of it, guys. See? Then I saved you. Don't do it. Because look, she now going to go even higher. I got my alert sitting at 2,500 because I am looking for her to get that high. But she might not get that high. She could turn around sometime. She took the bottoms, guys. Look, you see how they took the bottoms and then they came and they took the tops. They do that a lot. A lot. And that's it. Like, boom. Yeah. Buyers came in the market strong. We had some buyers here. This one here. But they was trying to give us that reversal here to let us know, and they did. Boom. But they got here into my insufficiency. So this one was the one. So let's go look at it. Yeah, look how they stalled in this area. Nice prints up in that area. Then what? Money. They did what? What did they just do? take the money. What did I just show y'all? This side was done. Look, you never missing anything, guys. And then look where they at up here. What's up here? I'm finna show y'all real quick. I'm finna show you real fast. Give me a second. This that last candle where I talked about yesterday, that last buy to sell candle before the push down move. They're in it right now. They tapped it right here. This line is them tapping that candle, right? Let's go look. Let's keep looking. Look how they tapped in that to that candle right there. Quick buy to sell scenario here. Like I like the fact that they pushed up like this, because that's a quick like buy to sell scenario. Look at DXY. Look at this push down. Boom. DXY did hit that. Look at every target that we just placed got smacked that fast. You see how fast that was? Yeah. All right. So quick sell to buy. Same thing that happens with the gold. Gold just moved up for a quick buy, right? Strong buy. And then look at all this here. Now we're going to sell down. So there could be a nice little quick buy to sell scenario happening right here. I wanted more of a snatch, but that's fine too. Let me go here and look. They did snatch up in this area. Now I want to see, would this area, this that I marked, would this have played out, right? Or would they came back up into it? That's what I'm looking for right now. Or would they come into it, or would they hit the next insufficiency in price that's sitting right here? I mean, they could hit it. This right here is showing, yeah, they kind of showing me with this kind of pattern that, quick buy, then they'll do a sell, and then they'll do another buy up, they'll do that too, because they are realizing that, hey, we're buying, okay, well then let's buy up then. You feel me? And they'll put a quick sell there just to get the buy up. They'll do that for sure. They'll do that. But now this is just me just seeing, all right, are we continuing? Are we doing a sell to buy? Well, with the liquidity sitting here, strong chance of just doing a continuation. But you won't know, guys, until you get more candles. Look how they snap into these areas. The areas that we said we marked that they were going to hit, they hit. They hit them. All right. So we still have things sitting below. Such as this one, right? They wicked into this one, and they keep going, right? They're gonna keep going, huh? Well, let's go look and see where they're gonna keep going to, because they gotta go up to what? That's why I've been having 2,500 set for a minute, but then there's this right here, which is an institutional level. So I'm looking to, up in this area. I'm looking for sales up in this area, but I can go over here and spot the 50% of the Fibonacci level right here of this candle, right there. That's the 50%. Oh, my bad. All right. So this is what we got, guys. Because pay attention. got the fib. I fibbed this last buy to sell candle, right? This white candle sitting right there. I fibbed that candle. Now, this is what I'm doing. I fibbed the Fibonacci, the institutional levels of the Fibonacci, which is the 78.6 and the 88.6, right? And if you want to pew off of the 50%, you can. 50% is this one right here. We have not got up there yet. We are still reaching, right? And then this area right here is the 78, 88% line. So this 50% here, 78, 88, right? Now I'm going to drop down to this 5 minute real quick and see that we are still probably not done. We haven't got up into this area here, and we haven't got to this area. I would look for sales somewhere up in here, maybe the 50%. You know what I'm saying? I'm hoping that the 50% didn't get, we didn't miss the 50%, because it's like literally two or three clicks off, right? But they could still move up and get to the 88, the 78, 88% that's sitting right here in this pink box is 78, 88% Fibonacci level, basing off of the 1 hour, guys. Now, this is where the sniper come in at. Boom. That's one shot up there. And I'm going to take another shot. I'm going to take a shot there. Let's see if the 50% hold up. If not, then I'm going to go for the 78, 88%. Okay? They have to get up here. So, I'm trying to make sure that this market didn't turn around on me already. Because sometimes they'll get real close to it. Sneaky asses. They'll get close to it and then they'll turn around. Like they doing right now, let's see. But let's see. Okay. 5. All right. 1. They did get real close to it. I could have shot here, and then let's just see if this would have been, 50 pip stop would have been like up here. I wouldn't mind taking that shot, that type of shot. Not at all. Especially like with it, how it got real close to the 50%, and we are up into that last candle, which is be at this price. That buy to sell candle, the bottom of it is sitting right here. All right, so what I want to do is go ahead and sell off of this candle. So we're going to sell here. Sell. All right, so we got a little sell position. I'm thinking that this could work out unless we get up here. This is the first shot I want to take. So I want to see if this shot will take, right? This is that the bottom half of that candle. This is the 50% of that candle, and this 78, 88. So let's see. We're in the zone. This could play out because we're in this zone. Let's do, I don't know, 50 pip stop. We'll do a 50 pip stop, guys. All right. This is the last trade for the week. Uh, 24.72. We're going to see if this shot can play out. We'll take a shot, and if it doesn't work out, pan out, guys, then we'll take a shot higher, because right here is 50%. All right. I'm in a little early, but this could work out. This is the 50%, this 78 sitting here in 88. All right. Let me see. Do I want to, are they not done? Before I hit the button? Let me see. No, I don't see an engulfing or anything. Well, only one little one right here. If we push, I want to sell up here then. The next sell, listen, Like this one here, if this one doesn't work out, I'm going for this one. I'm gonna go for that one up here. And this one, I'm gonna keep it real tight. I'm probably gonna do like only like a 20 pip stop or something like that. 20, 30 pip stop on that one. Not gonna do nothing too crazy. And I'm gonna use some really good risk. Let's see. Where are we now? We're at 24.75 right now. We're still showing presence to go up. All right. What is that? What was that? 49 pip? Nah, I ain't even get that to the group. I ain't even get that one to the group. It's moving too crazy right now. This is gonna be where I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait and give an alert here. Let's see, can we give an alert here? There's a 50% is sitting right here, guys. If we can get 50%, this will be the second shot. All right. And then let's see. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and get that sell in. There we are. We're back in this area. So now I'm going to go ahead and sell at that price right there. There it is. Let's try that. They're giving us this nice little insufficiency in price here. They created it. They gave it. They created insufficiency. We took it. They create more insufficiency. We should take that too. All right, let me get this in. Let's see what we want to do today. What do we want to do today? We can take an extra trade, man. We ain't, man, we've been doing real good. So, what is it? 60, 68, 66. And then TP3 at 24.64. And yeah, and we'll do an SL at 24.78, 24.76. We'll do 24.76. All right. Sell gold now. All right. All right, here we go. Happy trading, y'all. Let's get it. Let's see if we can get this sell off of this area. They wanted to create some slippage here. We could come back in this area. We did not get to the 50% area, but we did get to the bottom of that candle. Sometimes that's enough. Just tapping into the insufficiency, or just tapping into the institutional candle will be enough. So that's why we're selling right now. But listen, I have scenarios. If this one don't play out, I'm going for the next one, because this is the 50%. If this one don't play out, then I'm going for the next one, short, here. You feel me? And if I get popped on all three shorts and we're continuing up, I know that we're going up here to 2,500. Like that. So I'm going to do something tight here. I'm going to do like 25 there, some like we could do 30, that's 50 all together. Those two will be 50 together. If this one get popped, it'll be what, 49. So yeah, we took all this out and we still got this down here and all this below. So, but I am keeping in mind what we have above, which is something that you should always do as a trader, is understand what's happening above and what's happening below. Look at this big ass slippage candle. They have to basically come back and fill that too. You feel me? So now it's like, all right, when are we gonna feel it? How are we gonna feel it? You know, what's the right time and price to get in at? Well, right now. Right now. Okay. Let me do this. So yeah, I'm gonna sacrifice it right now. With the sale right here. This is one shot. I'm gonna take a shot as a sniper. Boom. We gonna hit that. Let's see if we get it. If we get it, we get it. If we don't, guys, next shot is gonna be here at this price. If we don't get that, this is the 50% mark. Then we will come up here to 78, 88 and work, and we'll try to work the institutional price zones. And it's that simple. And you just keep a real nice little tight little wrist. Listen, I can take over 100 shots with this type of trading, right? I could take over 100 shots just like this with 100 P&Ls on my screen. How many you think I'm gonna hit? Listen, if I put a P&L on my screen, it means something to me, because that means I'm ready. I'm locked and loaded. That's what that means. So now it's just, hey, I don't care if I miss a shot. I might miss this one, guys. It's NFP. Market could go crazy. It could do some dumbass shit today. But guess what? I got another shot here if I want to take it. And another one here if I want to take it. So if you feeling like you're in drawdown and you can't hold it, you don't have the guts to hold it, and you don't have the guts to even handle your stop getting hit, stay out of the markets. Stay out. Maybe this isn't, for you. Let me just look at DXY real quick, because it's going to determine on whether I want to take shots again or if I want to leave this market alone and just let it do what it do. Oh shit! Look at DXY aiming, tagging every man. Gold is finna go up. Gold is going up. Let me just go ahead and let me see. I should have held it to maybe get into the institutional levels, but shit, I'll take it. I don't care. I'm gonna take the hit. However, I take the hit. If I'm wrong in this area, which is quick, this was the bottom of that candle. So think about it this way. You got, this is the candle that I'm saying on the 1 hour, it looks like, but we're on the 1 minute, right? The bottom of this candle is sitting at this price at 24.73. The top of the candle is sitting at 24.80.81. The half of it, the middle 50% of it, is sitting at well, actually, hold on. It's like up here, right? It's sitting like this. I want to get it right, right? This 88, 78, 88 is here, 78 is here, 50% here, right? Up in this area, right? Something like that. Wait, the 50% is, wait, hold on. It's right there, okay? So this is what I'm saying. I entered the bottom of this 1 hour candle. We still have, this is supposed to be an institutional candle. This is the last buy candle before the down move on the 1 hour, right? This candle, you can enter sometimes off this candle if you can hold the fluctuation of this candle, which is what, good 952 pips. If you can hold that, hold on, let me see. That wasn't right. Hold on. I can't even grab it. Hold on. All right, here we go. I'm sorry, that wasn't. It was 98 pips. So if you can handle 100 pip fluctuation, you should be good. You can enter off of the candle, or you can enter off 50%, or you can enter off, if you want to wait and be more aggressive, enter off 78.88, which I'm going to take another shot at 78.88. I'm going to have to, because this one got set. So that stop, did I put that in for the group? Yeah, I did. So stop loss was hit on this one. 24.76 was the stop. Yeah, that one got hit. So I'm gonna stay out of the markets because this one got hit. So I'm 49 pips out. What I'm gonna do now is just wait on market to get up here to the 50% now. Because if this area didn't pull and snatch like I really wanted it to, and it kept, I could have just put my stop maybe above this wick. Then if it got to 50%, then I've been like, all right, I'll just take another shot. Maybe I can just hold it because it's so close to the 50%. But I'm wanting to see this institutional area appear 78, 88%. They could get up there, guys. So we're going to wait now. We're going to wait until this. So SL hit, which is fine on that first one. Let me just update the group. I actually I didn't put that in for my VIPs, but I did put it in for the free group. So, shit. Some trades go, some trades don't, guys. Like, again, we're not here to be perfect. We're just here to be consistent and read the markets. Eventually, we'll get what we're looking for, and it'll be a runner. It'll be a track star. You feel me? But I'll take that. I don't mind taking those little small little lessons, because I know I'm gonna have big wins in the end. Big wins in the end. All right. DXY is just tanking, guys. It's just tanking so bad. Look at this price. Let's see what we got. Look how nasty. Man, look at DXY, guys. Killing everything, all the little areas that I said that she was going to reach down to. She is demolishing them. Let's go look at her on the 4-hour. What did she do? Continue down. We got lows. Look at money. We even got more money down here. This wick, obvious wick, and we got this insufficiency in price here. All right. That's what I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. All right. This is what I can mark up and tell you where targets that price that is going to hit eventually in the market in the future. Like these up here will get hit in the future. If the bottoms got hit, the tops will get hit. All right. That's just how the market runs. That's how it works. But when you see DXY moving down like that, you just know that gold, high chance of gold moving up to a certain price point. Not saying like going up long term, but just moving to a certain price point, and you got to see that. All right, so now we see that DXY is moving down. See, look, they're giving us our answers now. We need to see what's going on. We can't see if we're in a consolidation area, but I seen that they took the lows and they kept all these highs, so I figured they might target the highs. I said that in the beginning of the stream. But I still wanted to try to see if we could put that push down. But usually before news, they'll start moving in one direction and then they'll fly up like they just did. So, we just got captured. That's all. But it happens. Sometimes it happens and sometimes it don't. It's like we don't know. We're not market makers. We don't know if they're going to do it or not. Sometimes they do it. Sometimes they don't. All right. So we still haven't got to the 50% level. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and just mark an alert here, because who wants to be here all day waiting on this price to get here? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark an alert around these areas, because if you, like I said, you guys got to pay attention to the 1 hour. Look left right here. And I would have thought we bounced into it. Did we bounce into it already and bounce off? No way. There's no way we got in there already. No, we didn't. Hold on. No, okay, I was going to say, there's no way. There's no wick. I don't see a wick up there. What was happening? All right, so I got the alert sitting here at 50%, and they're barely, like, they barely touched it. 3 pips off. And then, like, got real close to it and slammed down 48 pips. Yeah, see, NLP just do crazy shit. It's just best to be like, yo, let's just wait till Monday, see what's going to pop off. But this right here is just nice manipulation candle here. Quick buy. We could have did a quick buy to sell, but I'm trying to get it over in this area. They just not giving it to me. They smacked me on my stop. But look, we got these little horns up here too. So they're building liquidity right now in front of us. Okay? Building it. Don't think to sell this market, and don't think to really buy this market. Wait on this market to come into your zones. When it comes into your zones, then you can make a decision. But this right here is just accumulation, and this is what I'm pretty sure they're going to do for a while. And this is where you're going to get hurt the most. Don't get in, because you're going to be losing your account. They're going to drain you right here. All right. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man. It's what, 9 o'clock. We've been on here for an hour. We've only got up in this area, right? They literally tapped our stop and then reversed, right? We're still waiting on this market to do something. Price entry was 24.70. They still haven't got back down to our price entry either. So this is where I'm like, all right, cool. What are we going to do now? Well, we're going to wait. We're going to wait and see what's going to happen. We got to come back down here and get this, but when? When and how? All right, so let's look. Let's look at the 5-minute then. Yeah, they still not showing me on. They're not showing it on 1 or 5. So if I don't see it on 1 or 5, what I'm looking for, then I'm out of the market. I'm done. I'm here until the alerts. When my alerts get taken, guys, that's when I'm going to be thinking of making some sales. You can see my P&Ls here. And then where am I going to go? I'm going to come down. I'm going to aim for this insufficiency here in this price. Like this whole candle, I'm going to aim for it. When I get in here, I'm aiming for this. When I get up here, if they get up here, I'm aiming for this. Right? So let's move this over. And then this is what I'm going to be looking for. I hope I don't miss it. Right? So you're seeing it here. Here's the setup. You can take a picture of this. This is the setup of what I'm going to be looking for in the market to come either today or Monday or whenever they decide to do it. But I will get alerted on my phone. There's just no need for me to sit here and watch a consolidating market, okay? So, and I don't want you guys to do the same thing. No, look, you can find other things to do in life. But looking at the charts, if the opportunity isn't there, it's not there yet. You know, if you got hit on one and you don't see, we're not going to keep jumping in and out of these markets. That's how your accounts get blown, guys. You jump in, out, in, out, in, out. As soon as they come back in your price, you want to jump in, out. Well, I did it once. If it didn't go and hit my stop, I'm waiting now to the next zone. If this market does continue to fly down, so fucking what? So what? You know, let's go for the next trade. How many trades are we gonna do on this channel? Hundreds, probably thousands. So don't chase these markets, guys. All right, just don't do that. Okay. So Hey, I ain't even drink my tea today, and I had it today. But anyways, I see they are back in our price zone. We could have held this, right? If this market does continue down, yeah, we could have held it, and then they're going to feel this insufficiency here. So that's just what they're going to do. If you wanted to sell again off of this area, you can. I'm not. I want to see what market is going to do, and then come Monday, I'm going to find a position to play, and the markets would have been calmed down by then. All right. But anyways, guys, thank you for coming to the channel. Y'all see my mindset behind it. I want to be as transparent as I can with y'all, with the wins and the losses. I take the losses with the wins and the wins with the losses. I do both, right? It's not emotional over here. It's either I'm right or I'm wrong in technical analysis. That's it. All right. So this one did play out. So my initial thinking to sell is there. Not necessarily for the buys, but I wanted to see it come up to 50% or to 78, 88. They barely grazed it and missed it. So you never know what you might get. And then this market could continue to run. So initially my idea was right. I just had my stop maybe too close. I could have put it above this high. But I usually don't go 70 or like 70 pips out, 69 pips. I usually don't go that far out, guys. I usually just do like 50 pips out. But hey, sometimes we get popped on the 50 pip and they'll go and they'll run and they'll give us all of our profits like right now. They're hitting our TP1. They're heading for our TP2. It's getting ready to get smacked right now. But hey, that's just the name of the game. Y'all got to understand that. And that's not a big deal to me because I've had a very great week, and you can go back and look at all of the videos and you can see that we've had a great week. Okay. Other than that, that's it. That's all I got for y'all on the street today.
We're ready to go.
Okay.
So the dog's already ate.
Okay, hold on, Mom. Let me end the stream.
Oh.
All right. Well, make sure y'all like and subscribe to my channel. All right. I'm gonna see you guys Monday. Y'all enjoy your weekend. One love. Mo Diesel out.